You're either all in on TA or you're not. The second you're halfway in TA, you don't have TA. It doesn't work for you anymore. So what I do now is I literally delete all my old work, right? I do. And I start fresh again, and we look at where we are, and we look at where we stand. And so we start again going to the daily or the 3-day chart, and we look and we reassess. And right now the 3-day just got a bullish cross, okay, on the stochastics RSI. And you can see right there, so look at that, huge bullish cross, nice move to the upside. That's looking really, really good. So far, so good. It also has bullish divergence from the 3-day, the daily, all the way to the weekly, even to the 2-week chart. That's a huge deal. When you see bullish divergence on large time frames, it suggests that that is definitely your lowest low, and you won't go lower than that. Big time frames are a big deal. Seeing bullish divergence on these time frames, to me, is almost like euphoric. It's a huge, huge sign that something is brewing. Now, if you don't believe in the divergence like I do, it does nothing for you. I realize your belief in an oscillator is your power in it. Let me say that again. Your belief in an oscillator is your power in it. If you don't believe in divergence, you can't use it to your advantage. See, I believe in it. I called a long right here on hidden bullish in front of the whole world, and it was one of the greatest calls of my life. I don't mean to do it to brag. I mean to show you how strong divergence is. And if you can understand it, I could die tomorrow. It's not about me and my life and what I've done. Who cares? Forget me. It's about the science that I've uncovered. It's about the years I've spent in the charts and the things that I figured out. And if I can just convey anything that I've done in these years and years of backtesting, and if I can get it through to you, and you can see what I'm talking about. Look at this, about to break out. Breakout, baby, breakout. Look at this, about to break out. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm putting down, baby? So, bullish divergence on the 3-day chart. Established, done, okay? Let's look at our low here, our low. So we have where we wick to, our low area. We have our high area. Then we have our bigger, supportive resistance areas that we're going to get to, and from there. I've even shown you my inverted trend analysis idea that shows you when we're going to have, when we could eventually have a bottom. And all it takes is for a daily or a 3-day candle, 2 or 3 daily candles to close above here. And to me, that negates the bear market. And we're on a new uptrend. That's simple. And I know you don't believe me, but it's that simple because look, if I flip this upside down, and I'm going to give you my trend analysis right now. This is lucky what I'm about to show you if you're watching. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. 445 people, 230 likes, only $3.33 in chat revenue. You people are amazing, though. Thank you for the 333. I'm very grateful for it. I could make, you know what I could do with $3? I turned $300 and Save Moon into 30 grand. I could turn $3 into 3,000. So, you know what I can do with $3? That's why everyone says I don't have enough money. I always laugh. I'm like, I turned 1,800 into 100K with cake, man, and had it producing 2K a day. So, don't give me that flack. You ain't got that jack. You got a mind, you got a brain, you can make it happen, baby. Nothing is stopping you but yourself. You're your own worst enemy or your best friend. Make it happen today. Go do something that's going to change your life. Break out, babe. Break out. Go for it. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it. I'm telling you right now, and stay away from negative people who are telling you that you can't accomplish what you believe in your life, because you can. You can do anything you put your mind to. I'm telling you right now. Hands down, baby. Hands down. So look, this is Bitcoin upside down. You're like, what are we looking at? We're looking at Bitcoin upside down. All right. Now, if we go back to Bitcoin right side up, you're in an uptrend. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Your first lower low is the sign that things are wrong. Then you make a lower high, you are done. So you flip this upside down, and we want to see the same scenario. So we're going up, right? We have a high, we have a higher low. We have a high, we have a higher low. We have a higher high, we have a higher low. We have a higher high. If Bitcoin puts in a lower low right here, then a lower high, that's a downtrend, right? But we're flipping this upside down, and that's how we get out of this. Just like that's how we ended this trend here. So if this trend breaks by this lower low here, then this trend will break by this higher high here. Simple as that. You can't believe this trend broke by that, and this trend won't break by that. Like, if you believe the science, you have to believe the science fully and completely. You see? You're either all in on TA or you're not. The second you're halfway in TA, you don't have TA. It doesn't work for you anymore. So it's like you have to believe. It's like going all the way, baby. Like, you want to be the star quarterback, you got to go all the way. Either you think you're the man or you don't. If you think you're the man, you're going to become the man. You're going to do it, or the woman. But if you think you're not, then you're not. Like, You create your destiny, and that's the same with everything in life. And people don't realize how much in charge they are. Everybody wants to play the victim. This happened to me because I was treated this way because of that. You know what that gets you? It gets you to the excuse farm, where you get to sit and making excuses with everyone else that has a reason for why they're not where they want to be in life. And you know what? I was that guy for a long time. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. People want to see results. Give them results. They will respond to you. All right?